All right, guys, we bought this house behind me for $4,000, so stick around. I'm just kidding, guys. We didn't buy it for $4,000. We paid $4,000 out of pocket, but we did. That's all we spent in actual cash, but no, it was way more. So we're gonna walk through it. I'm gonna show you guys the property and give you guys a little info on what we paid for it and what we're gonna do to it. So let's go ahead and walk inside. All right, so yeah, so we closed on this last week. We closed on a Friday afternoon, and then Saturday I came by and I went through the whole property and got a list of material, parts, things that we're gonna do. And so that's already been ordered. And then today we just came to get the utilities going and do this walkthrough for you guys. And we're gonna get started painting, doing drywall this weekend. We're not gonna need to paint cabinets because they're gonna come pre-painted. They're gonna be just white. And yeah, so hopefully we can get at least the paint done this weekend. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and walk through the house. I wanted to show you guys before we did anything to it. This is how it came. This is how we got it. Yeah, so as you can see, we got the cabinets in here. So the plan is we're gonna have cabinets right here, bottoms, fridge, tops, and then right here where this area is built, we'll have the kitchen island with a sink, and then you have your dining area over here. All right, and over here to my left, we have a laundry room area. That's where the water heater's at, a little pantry right here. So follow me along. We'll keep going to the back of the house, to the second bedrooms. All right, and this is the first of our secondary bedrooms right here. Sorry guys, I'm on the phone. The only way I can see myself. This is the first of the secondary bedrooms. It's pretty big. It's like a 12 by 12 with a closet over here. Again, same flooring all throughout. We're just gonna do some paint in here. We're gonna, put the doors back on, add some trim, put some doors on the closet, and, put the outlet covers on, blinds, and it'll be good. All right, next here is our second bedroom, or our third bedroom, I guess. Same thing, nice windows, a lot of light, flooring already in here. Closets, mostly be closets, have been just dry texture, so bare sheetrock, so we'll need to primer those of course and paint throughout. So we're gonna paint the entire house. We're gonna do like a classic gray with white trim. All right, and in here we have our first bathroom. So this is the hallway bathroom. It's already got tile in it. We're gonna clean up the tub and surround for now. We may switch out the vanity, we may not, depending. It's not a big issue, it looks a little bit newer. So we may just leave it as is, maybe paint the box. Toilets, we're gonna replace, put a mirror up. Got a little closet here in the hallway. We gotta put our access panels up here. So yeah, so that's the back area with the two rooms. Again, this is our living room area, big front windows. And pretty big area. All right, and we come in here into what is the master bedroom. All right, again, same thing. It's already, new flooring. It needs the doors put back up, a little bit of drywall repair, paint, blinds, and make ready stuff, and we'll be ready. The main work is going to be in these. It's going to be in the bathroom. this bathroom right here, the master bathroom, has a bathroom as well, and the kitchen, which is where the majority of the work will be. All right, and so this is your master bath. We're gonna redo this tub, probably just resurface it for now. We've got a leak right here, so first issue of the property, we turned on the utilities today. We got the electric on, and then the water, we came and tried it before we started running everything. We turned it on for a little bit, and we have a leak here. They just cut the pipe and never finished putting it back together. So that's the first thing we're gonna fix this weekend. But yeah, that's the bathroom. We got some old material, same thing. We're gonna put trim, toilet, vanity, just stuff like that, guys. But for the most part, this property is in really good shape for what we got it. So about the deal itself, we got this lot on a 1/4 acre and the next lot with a beat down house. I'll take you guys, I'll show you guys right now over there. We got it all under contract for 115 for both properties. So we got, I believe, almost an acre all together here. It's a little bit of a weird layout. It's like a triangle-ish plot of property, but it's pretty big. It is kind of by it's right next to the train, so it's a little bit loud at times, but the windows are good. I've been in here, so we'll see. If not, if anything, you guys get some videos of us fixing it up. But it is right by downtown, so we're in a little town here. It's right by downtown, and it's a little, up and coming little town, and so hopefully it pays off in the long run. It starts to grow in value here. But yeah, this is going to be the fun part right here. Kitchen. But like I said, all the hard stuff's done. They've already run electrical. They've already run water, drain. We've got to put in cabinets, the island here, countertops, appliances, and paint. And I think we can get out of here in a couple weeks and have it ready to either rent or relist. But yeah, that's it. So this is the project for the next couple of weeks, hopefully no longer than that. We'll see how it ends up going. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, been staying busy, so haven't had a chance to make a lot of videos, but I just wanted to get on here with you guys.
All right, so we were already out here. We went ahead and started taping up some of these joints that were cracked. It looks like they didn't use any tape, but yeah, I mean, I just had a couple hours extra to kind of kill here, and I just started taping off.
All right, guys, day one, we're done. We just got all these lines of drywall here were kind of cracking they just weren't taped right the first time. I don't think they used actual tape. They just put compound over it, and so they were cracking. Nothing structural. We had it inspected before we bought it, but we went ahead and started prepping for paint. Yeah, so we got the first coat of tape on most of it. We have a little bit left in the rooms, but I started time to go pick up the kids. But first day done. We'll be back this weekend and finish up the drywall repairs and go ahead and get started painting. So thanks for checking out the channel, guys. If you like it, hit that like and that subscribe down below, and let me know what you guys think of the new house project that we've got going on. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. See you guys next week.